Hello again, everyone. I've been long time. It's been long time I haven't showed up in my own YouTube channel. So yeah, as you know, sometimes I put um, short videos about my new pet. So we have a new pet, a budgie, a baby budgie. His name is Pepe, and this is the story about Pepe, how I got him, why I named him Pepe, and how is he now. So enjoy the video. So yeah, um, as you know, if you've been following my YouTube channel, we are pet sitters, and me and my husband, we love animals. So yeah, we've been minding dogs, cats. We went to people's house to feed their horses, um, fish. What else? Alpaca, chickens. Yeah. And then suddenly, someone brought their bird to us. They said, we want to go away and no one can take care of our bird. So can you please take care of our bird? So we said, yeah, why not? And then from that point, my dear husband, he is in love with a bird, with birds. So we've been minding birds twice, the yellow one and then the orange one. Yeah. And then he's from that on, he started to think, why can't we get our own pet? I want a bird as a pet. And because back then there is this situation in our town where we got flood. So we forgot we have we had this idea on adopting a bird. So we kind of forget about that, and then he keeps on searching on Facebook or on Gumtree about pet bird or birds, yeah, because he's very keen to adopt bird. So I try to help him as well, and you know how much fortune bird can be. So yeah, he wanted a parrot. So he likes to talk, and well, I don't really a talkative person. So he likes talking with pet. That's why he's thinking to get a parrot. And then one day I went to this oh no, my next door neighbor, she took me to meet his son. No, not to meet, to see his son. Well, I've known him for a long time. So we went to his house, and then there I saw that he got budgies, lots of budgies. So I asked him, where did you get this? He said, oh, there's a new store in this town, and it's cheap. It's only 40 bucks. So I thought, why not then? Why I can go there and then get my husband a bird. Shh, Pepe. He's very chatty. So yeah, after that, I went to the shop in this town, and then I went inside and I saw so many birds, including budgie. So I took one home. I picked Pepe because me and my husband, we love blue. As you can see, the entire house, nearly all the furniture are blue. So yeah, I bought the I didn't have cage back then, so the shopkeeper gave me a carton box for transportation for Pepe, and I paid $40. She said, if you want a chirpy bird, budgie who can talk, then you should choose the male one. So I picked Pepe. He's male. Yeah, and I also bought the budgie seeds, which is cost $5 something for 1 kilogram. And then after I back home, my husband was very happy to see Pepe. And since we didn't have any cage yet, our next door neighbor, she lent me a cage, which actually it was for her son, the one who got the budgies. Yeah, it was actually for him for his birthday, but I borrowed it first for a day, and then I posted on Facebook, local Facebook. I was asking if there's someone who can give me unused bird cage that I can use for my budgie. And two gentlemen actually. They are very nice, and they said, "Oh yeah, I do. I will give it to you." And they came to my house and gave me a cage. So I have two cages. One the blue one, and then the other one is a bit bigger. So yeah, I was going to give away the big one, but my husband said, "I want to have a parrot." So yeah, right now Pepe is using the small one, which is blue. The color is blue, and then the big one I still put it in the garage. So yeah, that's the story how I got Pepe. And now Pepe is there, as you can see. And this stick over here, we made it for Pepe, for him to play. Yeah, so that's it. He's not quite tame yet, so whenever we reach our hand inside his cage, he's still trying to avoid us. But as soon as he's outside, he's quite okay with us. Okay, that's it for my story. And thank you for watching. I'll see you again next time. Bye. Bye-bye. We made this stick. So this is not real, this is plastic. It's only for decoration. So yeah, we got these sticks from the park. And I got this beads from the op shop, only $1. Stick, $0. And the macrame, I bought it, I think it's only $2. Yeah. So basically, we only paid for this, the bin. We didn't cement the stick, we just put rocks. Come on, Pepe. Pepe. Wanna come? Come here. Good boy, Pepe. Let's go back to your cage then. Where is your cage? Yeah, be patient. Oh, it's too bright. But yeah, he just went into his cage. His blue cage.